We don't talk enough about peace. We absolutely don't. We spend most of our time talking about what isn't peace and not thinking about how we actively create it. I mean, even as a matter of law, we don't have a definition of what peace is. We have the absence of violence. We have the absence of war, but we don't have what it actually means. And we have to understand that better and keep talking about it to reassure people that it can be achieved. Be afraid. I want people not to feel their fear as to what is going on around us, and to know that we're the majority. You know, you can whip up all the hatred you like, and you can be as Hobbesian in your approach as you want to be, and Machiavellian, all those other macho ingredients that we throw at the world. But that's not who we are. And I think when we turn around and take a long, hard look at what people do and how people really are, then we will understand better what we should be focusing on. And it's not the politics of fear. It's about working together to make the changes that we need.